The Solarlux bifolding door. They can create huge openings. They can provide full accessibility between rooms. They allow you to configure the opening to suit your needs and merge your indoor area with the outdoors, all across heights of up to 3.5 meters and almost any width. And they're so easy to use too. You can design your bifolding doors to fold inwards or outwards, and to either the left or the right. They're available in aluminium, wood, or a combination of the two. The choice is yours. You can also choose from a range of different options. Whether you want thermal insulation, sound insulation, or even burglar resistance, RC2 is also available with a bifolding door. If you have any more questions about bifolding doors, please contact your local expert consultant.